Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies, or I guess I could say with Mythbusters today, because we have 5 common myths that are associated with sandblasting. So we're going to go through each one of those and see if they're actually plausible or confirmed or busted. So the first one that we want to talk about is that sandblasting damages surfaces. So depending on the abrasive you're using, this piece that I have in front of me, from here over is an unblasted piece. This side of it, I actually just blasted in glass bead. There is absolutely no difference in the finish from one side to the other. It is as smooth as it can be. There's no damage to the surface. Now we ran this at about 70 PSI. If we turned it up to 120, we may be able to get a little bit of surface damage there, but it really depends on the abrasive. So from a glass bead, if we were running an aluminum oxide or a silicone carbide, yes, we could actually affect that surface and change the texture on it. But in some cases, depending on what kind of coatings you're putting on, that may actually be a good thing. So as far as it always damages the surface, that myth is busted. So our second myth is actually sandblasting is only used in remanufacturing. Definitely not true. It is used in remanufacturing, but not solely. There's lots of companies out there that use that as their surface prepping process. It's actually used in auto restoration. It can actually be used in crafts. I mean, you can use glass bead with stencils on glass and actually etch the glass. So to say it's just used in remanufacturing, yeah, that myth is busted too. Next, we're going to discuss that there's only a few types of blasting media. Blasting media, as far as a dry blast cabinet, has a wide range from glass bead to aluminum oxide. You can run ceramic bead. You can actually run corn cob. You can run walnut shell, acorn shell. There's a plethora of medias that can be run in a dry blast cabinet, all the way up to crushed glass, which is very aggressive. So to say there's only a few types of media, yeah, that myth is busted too. Sandblasting is bad for your health. In the past, I would tell you that yes, absolutely it was. But in today's modern cabinets, to where we're running a dust collector and a reclaimer, as long as you've got a good dust collecting system, you're not actually breathing any of that bad dust. So as far as it being bad for your health, that myth is busted too. Sandblasting is only used as an industrial process. I touched on this just a minute ago. As far as industrial, yes, but it can be used in many different areas as far as finishing products. Again, auto restoration and creating artwork with etching. I know a lot of people that use dry blast machines to actually etch glass, so it does turn out fairly well when you do that. If you've never tried it, I suggest you give it a shot. But to say that it's only for industrial uses, that's absolutely busted. If I've missed anything here, if you've got a question about anything as far as sandblasting goes, I'll be more than happy to either bust or confirm that myth for you. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, give me a call, 828-202-5563. See ya.